think being featured on Makeup Revolution's page, being featured on MUA's page, being sent stuff from brands that I've been using for years. It's hi, hello. Today is Monday the 24th of August. I'm attempting a day in my life vlog. I'm starting my day way late because it's 10:30. The plan was to start earlier than this, but the day must go on. I just wanted to come on camera. Basically, I've just got a package from MUA Cosmetics. They reached out and they wanted to send me a few things, and I thought it'd be cool to share this on camera. So I'm gonna find somewhere to put you, and we can do an unboxing. I think this would be a nice way to start the vlog. Wow, but can we get into my skin though? I literally woke up like this. I've not done anything to my face at all. Like, I've not done anything to my face. I love the setup. Wow. So I'm doing like another Instagram stories type thing, so you're gonna have to bear with me. The plan today, whilst I sort myself out, I'm still gonna be productive today, even though like the day has already started without me. Yeah, I need to do this hands-free thing on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I do all my things there. Everything's on Instagram stories and my feed. You know, I do everything on there. So yeah. Good morning. I have received the package from MUA, so let's just do an unboxing since I'm trying to be more active on stories. So the first thing I can reach is this white box. I'm not really sure what's in here, but I think oh wow, oh wow, oh, me too, I'm fancy. Me too, I'm fancy. Me too, I'm fancy. Me too, I'm fancy. And they sent me the email to pick the things that I was interested in. I saw this, but I didn't add it. I don't know why I didn't add it. Like, after I sent it off, I was like, right, I should have added this one because I've always wanted one of these babies. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, I had to cut you guys off because I was doing a lot, trying to do the unboxing on stories and doing the unboxing on here is too much. So I'll leave a highlight of other things that were sent to me on my Instagram. So I would love it if you guys would go and check it out, and also follow. I'm really trying to get to 10k. I would love it if you guys could support me over there and follow and show some love and all the good stuff. So yeah, so I have actually done all the unboxing. I'm gonna pack it away. Today's plan, I need to do my makeup and record a video for YouTube, and yeah, so I'm gonna get to do that. I'm actually gonna go and make something to eat first. I'm probably gonna start with just coffee because I'm not really feeling hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to make this vlog as interesting as possible. So ignore the mess, but like I just took a nice picture for the gram. These are all the items they sent me. I am so excited to try them. I know like you guys may be, I don't know, not sick of it, but there's a lot of makeup videos out there, but I really want to do a full face of MUA. Let me know if it's something you guys are interested in, because obviously I will be testing out all these products and it will be nice to, you know, document it to show my reactions and stuff. So but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put all these things away and, like, you know, prep my filming station and get ready to film it. Ooh, I'm sorry. I'm this vlogging. Oh, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just having a sip of water from my Mua bottle. Like receiving items like this, receiving packages like this from brands that I've been using since sixth form, university, like I'm sure everyone knows about the MUA brow pencil that you can use for your lip liner, like things like that. It just kind of put things into perspective for me. I've only like taken YouTube and Instagram seriously in the past 1.5 or 2 years, like really pushing for it, and for brands like MUA to notice me and to offer to send me stuff, that's like the icing on the cake. And I know that's more doors that God's gonna open for me. Like, this is not by my doing, this is not by my might. Like, it's God upstairs who's putting my names in places and in buildings that I've not even stepped into yet. Being featured on Makeup Revolution's page, being featured on MUA's page, being sent stuff from brands that I've been using for years. It's amazing. So a massive thank you to you guys. If you actually watch this vlog and you engage my content and stuff, then thank you very much. There's not really much I can say or do. Like, all I can say is thank you, and as cheesy and cliche as it sounds, because everybody is thanking people for supporting them, but honestly, truly, like, I am grateful for you guys. I'm gonna go make some coffee, get filming, because the day is really running away from me. My coffee, I want it to be like really sweet. Either I use fresh milk or I use an evaporated milk. Okay, so I do this weird thing where, like, I'll put my coffee and my honey and my milk together, and I'll stir it and I'll microwave it for like a minute. I don't know, it's just how I like to make my coffee, just depending on how I'm feeling. I'm gonna add a bit more milk. Okay, so I've got my water and my coffee, and I'm gonna go and start my day properly for all this time. I mean, it's 11:45, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Right, I'm here. I'm just packing these things away. Get ready to film styling my box braids video. I'm not really gonna sit down for that, so I need to put out my filming table. I'm gonna make my tripod longer. I film my content on the same camera I'm using to vlog right now, so obviously I'm gonna cut this vlog short, not cut it short, but like cut the vlog and then come back when I've filmed the video. So I've set that up. I'm gonna pull my ring light out. I'm just cutting some old stockings, old tights. I use that to lay my edges. But if I can get the scissors to work, well.
Okay, yeah. You okay? Yeah, fine. Yeah, we tested new sensors with Mickey Winslow this morning, and
just got done filming different styles for my hair. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do today, but I'm about to have some lunch. I am hungry. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat, so I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna eat, and then I'll come back and we can chat. Right. I ate. I really just wanted to eat. I'm so full, but I need to clear up my room, put my filming stuff away, and start editing. This vlog is really not gonna be a lot. Can't lie. It's not gonna be a lot. So this actually is quite heavy, so I'm gonna take it down. I just want to know, baby, do you wow, my earrings, I love these. My earrings are from this one. These are from by Zena. I'll leave it on the screen. I love it so much. I got this and I got these as well for Black Pound Day. This is like very classy, bougie, sassy. Right, so this is how I typically wear my hair around the house. Okay, so I'm gonna put some music on and get cleaning. Yes. As opposed to Maria. It's your girl Eunice. I'm gonna carry this downstairs and edit and hang out with the family for a bit. I have a Zara haul coming. I need to edit this vlog, and I also need to edit the styling of the braids video. I need to edit a separate one for Instagram. Girl, there's a lot to do. This is all written down, so I know to do it. But I think this might be the end of the vlog, because when I'm sitting down, I don't really like, I get sidetracked and I'm gonna forget to pick up the camera. So I actually hope you guys enjoyed this small day in my life vlog. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.